In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the nvidia GeForce Shadowplay is lagging or stuttering. Now, if you have the original GeForce or if you use the newer version just called nvidia, both are fine. First, what you want to do is head over to settings on GeForce. I believe the setting button is up here, and then enable nvidia overlay. After that, simply open up the overlay by pressing Alt and Z. And in here, what you want to do is go to settings. On the new one, settings is up here. On the GeForce version, I believe it's somewhere else. Then what you want to do is you want to find your video capture. And in here, you want to make sure that the frame rate is lower. So if you're really having a lot of stuttering, you can put the frame rate down to 30 FPS instead of 60 and see if that works. You can also change the resolution to 1080 or 720 or something like that instead of anything else. So that's basically what you can do for the first one. Now for the second one, you can come back here and then go to Files and Disk Space. Now on the GeForce version, I believe it's called File Location or something. I'm not too sure, but you want to find where these are uploaded. Now, if you have two drives like I do, I have a C drive and a D drive, you want to make sure that they're downloaded or saved on the same folder that you have the nvidia installed on. So I have mine installed on the C drive, so I'll make sure that these are getting to the C drive. Otherwise, if my files are going to the D drive, but my nvidia Shadowplay is on C drive, then it's gonna cause some issues. So those are the two ways that you can potentially fix it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.